Hey everybody, today we're in a Genesis GV80. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855888. Before we get started, we just want to mention that make sure you install your mount onto the dash before you screw anything to this faceplate. With that, we'll get started. Now this mount is going to go into two different seams. The first is down here. It's between this soft piece of the dash and this silver piece of the vent trim. So right in here. The second is up here, and it's between these two different soft pieces of the dash right in front of the main screen. So the first thing you're going to do, you just want to kind of line up the mount where you're going to install it, and you have to make sure that on the top that you're not on the actual corner of this seam. So basically, as long as you're not going into where it starts getting rounded on the edge, you should be good. Then you're going to take your two included gap openers, and we're going to put them in here on either side of where the mount is going to insert into. Then we're going to insert this lower lip into this seam. There we go. Once it's in, take out the gap openers, and then you're going to want to transfer them up to the top seam. This seam is pretty tight, so you're going to want to get them in there basically as far as you can to open this up as much as possible. Now we're going to use our fingers to lift this lip while simultaneously pushing on the front of the face with our thumbs so that we can push the mount into place and not scrape this lip on the dash. Get it up there and then push it down into the seam, pull the gap openers out, and now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.